Hello everyone, this is MNO2,
And I'm RMCguy,
and welcome to a special video announcing an epic trip that we're going to be doing in a few weeks.
That's right, you heard it from MNO2 himself. We are going on an epic journey up to Northern California to go to Six Flags Discovery Kingdom in Vallejo, California.
And the La Ronde.
Yes. And we're also going to go to California's Great America in Santa Clara, California, and it's going to be the first time going to,
Well, it's going to be his first time going to both parks. Most of you guys, most likely do not know, but I've been to Six Flags Discovery Kingdom twice in 2013, and that was before Discovery Kingdom started adding DC rides. That was when Superman Ultimate Flight was the only DC ride.
So, we will be at the parks on July 20th, so let me go back. We are going to be going from July 28th to July 30th to both parks, and we will be at Six Flags Discovery Kingdom on July 28th and July 29th. And on July 30th, we will be going to California's Great America, and we will be releasing some new videos on this channel in the upcoming week following that. And
alright, so basically this is how it's going to work. There's going to be a day one vlog where it's gonna be like the trip up to Discovery Kingdom and then the day at the park, and then I'm gonna release a bunch of POVs from the park using my iView Horizons, and then it's gonna be the same thing with CGA. There's gonna be a day 2 vlog or day 3, whatever, and then POVs for that as well. But however, if you do want to get like a lot more like posts and frequent updates and like our reactions and ride photos and all that, then what you can do is go down to the description and follow me on Instagram, where I'll be posting a bunch of photos and posts and stuff while we're there at the park live. So on the dates that he just said, then on those days is when I'll be posting, but the vlogs and stuff won't come out for another few weeks afterwards.
so if you want to see it firsthand, what we initially think of all the rides, go to the Instagram, follow this man right here.
Alright, so now we're just going to talk about some more opinionated stuff. So first of all, I want to ask you, what is your most anticipated ride in this trip?
Well, I think it's split between two. The first one was at Discovery
Kong
Kingdom.
and Boomerang.
Yes, it's gonna be a beautiful ride, very smooth. No, not really. I think the most anticipated rides that I think one at each park. The one at Discovery Kingdom, very excited to ride the Flash V2 Vertical Velocity, since I've never really ridden an Intamin Impulse Coaster before. And it looks really, really fun, considering the launches.
Hang time machine.
Yeah, hang time machine as well. And for California's Great America, I'm sure all of you guys know, Railblazer.
The Grizzly.
Yes, the Grizzly. It's going to be amazing, and I think the wood track is going to be very aged well.
The Leviathan.
The Leviathan.
Alright, so, you know what? I don't know about y'all, but I think I'm most excited to ride Green Lantern First Flight.
Green Lantern First
The Green
Flight.
Lantern First Flight at Discovery Kingdom. I mean, I'm sure you have no idea what I'm talking about. I'm actually talking about Batman the Ride, but it's actually called Green Lantern First Flight. They just don't want to tell you that. That's its actual name. Just some info for you. Alright, and then for the other park, Grizzly, CCI. Or no, sorry, IAD. Rip Colossus.
It's going to have the chat.
Yeah. Okay, obviously Railblazer, but what about your least anticipated ride?
I think my least anticipated ride is going to be Kong at Discovery Kingdom, for obvious reasons.
I think my least anticipated ride is probably going to be Joker, because RMCs suck, but, that's kind of obvious, right?
Yeah, totally. It's going to be really, yeah, I think you're right on that one, actually.
Yeah, I mean, I have heard a lot of bad stuff about Harley Quinn, but I don't know.
Yeah, we'll have to see for ourselves, of course.
Pretty sure that thing's still closed. It's been closed for a long time. But overall, which park are you more excited for?
I think I'm more excited for, California's Great America.
Why? Because Railblazer exists?
Yes, because Railblazer exists. And also they have an actual drop tower at California's Great America.
Well, you see, Discovery Kingdom's obviously superior. Not only do they have the first skyrocket, they also have a sky screamer. Those are amazing, even though it's only 150 feet tall. Then they've also got V2, the Flash thingy. And then you've also got I don't even know what else good is there.
Joker.
Well, I mean,
Medusa's there, but that's
Medusa's literally just Scream, but not.
It's Scream the parking lot coaster of the sequel.
It literally is on a parking lot too. Medusa's on a parking lot for the first half of the ride. It's kind of sad. So I don't know what's up with being in Florida's coasters and parking lots, but you know, overall, I think we're both looking forward to this trip. I think you guys should be as well. It's gonna be fun. You guys are gonna enjoy it. But yeah, that's basically it for this video. If you remember everything we talked about, then you'll know what to expect. And yeah, I will see you in the trip coming shortly.